Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clement and today I'm going to talk to you about how to install engineered oak laminate flooring. One thing that's nice about this product is you can go over an existing carpet that is about an 1/8" shag on your carpet. You don't have to tear it out. For this job, we will be using a hammer and a scrap piece of laminate flooring. When getting started, we take a full piece and push it up a 1/2 inch from the wall on both sides. After you've made that run, we take the leftover piece of the flooring and lock it in to the first flooring that we laid. We kind of wiggle it up and down a little bit, that way it can set in there with a nice seam. Then we'll take another piece and lock it in, and you want to lock it in about a 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch away from the piece that you just laid. Here again, we'll just wiggle it down into place. After it's down in place, to close this gap up, we take our scrap piece of laminate floor and our hammer, and we'll end up hitting the end of our board and knocking it down and locking in. You want to make sure that you stagger your joints at least 6 to 8 inches. That way it creates a stronger bond in the floor and you're not going to be popping those seams up. If you're going over carpet, you want to make sure that your shag is no more than an 1/8 inch long. Otherwise, it'll start to buckle your joints and crack your joints out. You also might want to glue your seams in high moisture areas. That'll keep that moisture from penetrating into your laminate floor. Thank you all for watching and good luck with this project.